Hi friends, this is Aditya. I am a data scientist with 5 years of experience. Today our topic is top 5 skills to become a data scientist. Before starting the video, let me give you a disclaimer. The order which is shown in this video is not any significant. This is just a logical order. So let's begin our video. Our first skill is numbers. You all must have already known by now that data science is completely a math oriented job and there is truth to it, but nothing to worry. To start the journey, if you have good understanding of elementary level maths is good enough. As shown in this picture, you need not be a Ramanujan if you intend to become a data scientist. You should have knowledge on important mathematical concepts like sets, matrices, linear algebra, and logarithms. High level of mathematics is required only in few areas like designing of new algorithms and understanding existing machine learning models. Generally speaking, at high level, mathematics is not needed in day-to-day life of a data scientist. Finally, one point in this slide is if you love solving puzzles or love playing strategy games, then you will love this field. Because normally as a data scientist, you are asked to solve business problems using data, tools, and techniques. Next important skill is stats and probability. This is a related field to numbers which has high significance in our field. Generally, we all might have come across mean, median, and mode in our daily life. If you want to become a data scientist, then you need to build on your basics and improve your statistics knowledge. Probability is also equally important because as a data scientist, you will build models to predict future outcome with certain probability. Like whether an applicant will become defaulter in future, whether my customer will be interested in purchase of a certain product, whether my high key performing employee will leave the organization. If you want to kickstart your journey of statistics and probability, then Khan Academy is a good place to start with. That's how I started my journey. Here is the link for same, note it down and register in it. It is free. Our next important skill is SQL. It is an acronym of Structured Query Language. If you ask me which is the skill that is absolutely necessary for one to work with data, I will say it is SQL. Mastering this is important if you want to become a successful data scientist. One more fact is nearly 80% of the world's data still lies in SQL databases. It is very easy to learn and use because it is like plain English. As I mentioned earlier, there is lots of data which is stored in relational databases, so having basic understanding about it is important. Having basic knowledge on mathematical concepts like set theory and matrices will be very helpful in learning SQL. Let us look at an example of how this looks in the real world. If I read out for you, it says select email address from contacts where city is equal to Seattle. This is how we write SQL queries. It is quite self-explanatory, right? If we execute this query, we will get all email addresses from the contacts table of Seattle customers. Our next important skill is Python. It is regarded as a high-level general-purpose programming language. It can be used for various reasons like web designing, software development, game designing, etc. But we are interested in Python because it is also used for carrying on analytic activities such as data preparation. Once the data is retrieved from SQL, it will not be ready for use. We slice, dice, and massage the data to get into proper shape and form. Next is modeling. With the help of machine learning libraries such as sklearn, XGBoost, we can build models as well. Visualization. We can even visualize our model's output as well as how our data looks like with respect to predictive power. Finally, the important event in data science is deployment. We can use Python to even deploy our final models in production environment. It is supported by major cloud players like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. Simply put, we can say it as Ravindra Jadeja of data science, who can do everything. I mean, all rounder. Finally, our fifth skill to have is visualization tool. For simplicity, let's take Tableau as an example. However great your results might be, if you fail to convey them to non-technical audience, then your work won't be accepted. That is where the visualization tool like Tableau will be helpful. What the Tableau does is it will be able to represent huge data in graphical format like these charts, which will be easy to read and very insightful than just reading numbers. Presentations using visualization will also require certain soft skills like persuasion and influencing skills, problem solving skills, critical observation skills, and etc. Let's recap what we have covered in this top 5 skills required to become a data scientist topic. Numbers shouldn't scare you. Understanding of stats and probability is must. SQL and Python are important to master. Visualization is like icing on the cake. That's all for this video, friends. Hope you enjoyed learning something new. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. If you want videos on a specific topic, please let me know in the comments below. Signing off, Aditya.